Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video series on Java programming. And our today's topic is reading input using scanner class. Okay, so first we will create one file. So I'm creating here new Java file. Okay, and I'm giving class name as, I'll just change this name to read dem. Okay, now we'll write here main function, which is public static void name into bracket string args. Okay, now one main important thing is the class which contains the main function. Okay, that class name should be same as your file name. Okay, so I just save this file as read them. Okay, I'll change the name. So I'm saving here in C drive. I have Java folder. Okay, here I'll just give name as read demo. Okay, same. Now using scanner class to read input. Okay, like in C we read input using scanf, correct? So same like that, if you want to read input from user, there are different ways in Java. Okay, and one of the way is to use the scanner class. Okay, now this scanner class is defined inside the package java.util.scanner. Okay, so whenever you want to use scanner class method in your program, first thing is to import the package. Okay, so I'm here importing import java.util.scanner. Okay, scanner is the class, so the name of the class, first letter of name of the class should be capital. Okay, so first thing is to import the package. Now you have imported the package, you can use this class in your program. To use the class in your program, you have to create what? Object. Okay, so class is just the blueprint. When you create object, you can use the class, correct? So to create object of scanner class, we have scanner. The syntax is scanner object name, whatever object name you want to give, is equal to new scanner into bracket. We pass here system.in. Now why system.in? Because system.in indicates reading input from the keyboard. Okay, so here we have created the object of scanner class. Now using this object, you can access the methods of your class. So class is collection of methods, correct? So here a scanner class provides us different method to read different values. Okay, so if you want to read let's say input int value, integer value, you will use here method nextInt. nextInt method is to read the integer value. Same like that, we have nextFloat method to read the float value. nextDouble method, okay, to read the double value. We have next method to read the string value. Okay, we have nextLine method again to read the string value. What's the difference between these two? Next will read the string, okay, without you can say spaces. Okay, or if I want to read the entire string like this, with the spaces, I can use which method? nextLine method. So there are different methods provided by the scanner class which you can use in your program to read different types of input. Okay, now here we just read one integer value and we'll just display it. Okay, so how to read that value? Here I am taking one variable, okay, to hold the value int n. Okay, equal to, how to read the value? Obj object dot method name. What is the method name? nextInt. nextInt is my method. So in this way I am reading the integer value and holding this value in variable n. Okay, if I want to display enter number, I can use system dot out dot print method. Here I can write enter number. Okay, So we are reading the number in int. Now we just display it. Again, system.out.print method is to display, correct? So here I am writing number equal to, plus is for concatenation, and just print the variable. Okay, I'm saving this. So this is your basic scanner class. How to use this scanner class? I hope you understood this. So I'll just run this program. So here you can see enter number. So I'm entering, let's say 5. If I want to read different types of values, okay. So if I want to read, let's say roll number here, roll number, okay. I'm just reading roll number. After that, if I want to read the name of the student, okay. So here I will write enter your name, okay. Enter your name. And for name, I am taking one string variable, correct? So string name equal to obj dot. Which method I will use? I will use here next method to read the name of the student. Okay. Okay. So now, let's say if I want to read percentage of a student. Okay. So I'll write here enter your percentage. Correct. Enter your percentage. Now, to read the percentage, I am taking here float, and the variable name is per. Okay. Obj dot next. Which method I will use here? Obj dot next float method. Okay. So in this way, we are using different methods to read different values: integer value, string value, or a float value. Okay. Now, let us just display all the details. So I'm using here system.out.println. Okay. Here roll number equal to, I'm writing here variable name is n. Okay. Same for, I'm writing here name equal to, variable name is name. Okay. And percentage per. Percentage equal to, variable name is per. Okay. So here we have displayed all the details of the student. Okay. Now let us execute this. So here enter roll number. Roll number is, let's say 101. Enter name. Here I am adding UAF as understanding academic fundamental. Enter your percentage. I am giving percentage as 87.88. Okay. So these are my details. Clear? So scanner class is the simplest method and the most preferred method to read the input in your Java program. Okay. So I'll just revise it quickly. How to use the scanner class. Okay. Scanner class is defined inside the package import java.util.scanner. Whenever you are using scanner class in your program for reading input, first thing is to import this package. Okay. Once you have imported the package, now you can use the scanner class, okay, in your program. So to use the scanner class, we need to create the object of scanner class. How to create the object of scanner class? Scanner object name. This object name is a user defined name. You can give any name. Okay. Object name equal to new scanner system.in. Okay. Here you have created your scanner class object. Now using this object, we can access different methods of scanner class. So I have already shown you different methods to read different values. So here we have used some methods of the scanner class in our program. Okay. I hope this scanner class concept is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.